Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Astro Bot from PS5. So let's get started. To draw this cute robot, let's first start by drawing a rounded off square. So I'm just going to start right here, and all my lines are just going to be nice and soft. So I'm going to start right by here, and then it's going to come to the corner, round it off, come down, and same thing here. And then we're going to bring it down. And about right there, I'm going to go ahead and round it off again on the corner and connect at the bottom. There, so everything's nice and soft like a TV screen, but just round it off. Then we're going to go around it and draw a little trim around it. So I'm going to go right about here, follow my drawing, and then I'm just going to go up to the top right here. Sorry, the top right here is just going to be higher for the top of the head, and then we're just going to go up once again, same thing, round it off, and then come down. So the sides are thinner, and so is the bottom. So we're just going to go all the way around. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we can go ahead and draw the eyes. So I'm going to come towards the bottom right here, and I'll just start by right here and just draw a circle. And I'm going to come across about right here and draw another circle. I'm just trying my best to center the eyes in this space. There. Okay, and then let's go ahead and draw the top. So I'm going to come right here, then 10 apart. And I'm just going to draw a curve, thicken it up, and then add a circle right here at the top. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the body. So right underneath the eyes, I'll say about right here and here. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of round it off a little bit. And then we're going to bring it down. And then about right here, we're going to go in a little bit and then come out. Just to give the body a little bit of shape, in and then out. And then go ahead and round it off. And connect right here at the bottom. There. And then let's see here. Then we're going to come over here and just for some detail, I'm just going to draw two curves right here just to simplify it. So this is where the legs come out of. There. And then let's go ahead and work on the legs. So we're just going to stick it right on this corner. So I'm going to round it off. And stick it right there, connecting it. And I'm just going to round this part off and bring it in at a slight angle. About right there. I'm going to bring it in and connect. And then we're going to pop it out and continue. This is kind of like drawing like a carrot. And connect there. And let's see here, there's going to be this part right here for some detail, and then another curve right here to finish it off. So let's do the same thing on the other side. Just make sure it's connected right here. Bring it in. Just give it a little part right there and then pop it out. And once again, connect it. There. And the details. Here and here. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's draw the arms. So we're going to come right here. We're going to come down for the first section. And we're going to cut it off. And then we're going to continue We're just going to come out a little bit and make it wider. And let's see here, about right here. Round it off and connect. And then the fingers parts. So we're just going to draw 3 of them. And 1 more. And then for some details, just curve. And then 1 here. And then 1 more. That kind of goes this way. There. And so same thing on the other side. Round this part off. Just make sure. And bring it out. And I'm just having it the same. Just nice and simple, hopefully. And now we're going to once again, oops. Just thicken up this part. And about right here. Connect. And once again, the fingers. And the details. There. And let's see, whatever. Oh, and then the chest part. So let's come right in the center. I'm going to draw a curve. And then there's this design right here. So I'm just going to draw 2 curves. And then we're just going to round it off and bring it down towards the bottom and then center it, and about right there, go ahead and connect it. There. And the last thing I want to do is just add a little heart right here to make this my, oh, and what, you know what, I forgot, the cape, very important. Let's come right here. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. And we're just going to kind of curve, bring it out. And just bring it right back in. There, almost forgot, very important detail. There, now we're done, and I really hope you love my version here of this Astro Bot from PS5. I hope I helped you draw it fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.